Hey guys, it's Will from everydayace.com here to show you how I make my version of fathead dough recipe, a staple of a lot of keto diets, and it's great when you want to eat something that's very bread-like, that reminds you of bread, that gives you that emotional response of bread, but that is not bread and is low carb. So let's get to it. Okay, here's everything we're gonna need to make our version of this awesome keto fathead dough. You got baking powder, almond flour, of course, a staple of a lot of keto recipes, mozzarella cheese, awesome Costco bulk product, Kirkland salt, I got garlic powder here, roasted sesame seed, I'm gonna use that at the end just to do some crust. Cream cheese is a big component of this, 1 egg, and I am going to also butter up with some beautiful Kerrygold butter. First things first, I'm going to set that to 450, and then we're going to get started. Then 3/4 cup almond flour. You know what's great is a Costco membership. If you're on keto, that will save you a lot of money on a lot of these products, and you could buy in bulk. We're going to use 2 tablespoons cream cheese. What's nice is with this Philadelphia cream cheese, it's measured out on the side here, so we're just going to use 2 ounces here. Okay, now followed by 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, now I'm gonna put garlic powder in there. You know, I do this by shakes and looks. I usually just cover this in garlic powder. I like garlic powder, love it. So I use more of it than maybe I should. I take this salt shaker and I give it 5 shakes. So I gave 5 good shakes of the salt shaker there. And now what I'm gonna do is put this in the microwave for 30 seconds to get it soft so I can mix it. The idea here is that this is going to be more of a dough, and so where you need that dough-like consistency, it's just easier to mix when the cheese softens up. Okay, the second round of 30 seconds, and by the time I pull this out, it should be all the cheeses should be soft. I should be able to fold it together with the almond flour. And then I'll lay it out on my parchment paper here and get it ready to go into the oven. Okay, so what I have now is a lot more of a dough consistency. I'm gonna do a little bit more to get more of that almond flour and egg mixed in, get everything on the side mixed together. I forget to mention, but I'm gonna use some avocado oil spray to spray my parchment paper, just so it doesn't stick. You could use another kind of virgin olive oil or something else, just to make sure it doesn't stick. And then I'm going to top this with butter, more cheese, sesame seeds, and get it into the oven. Okay, I only have 3 minutes left, and I like to keep an eye on my bread, so it's starting to bubble. It's just starting to be nice and brown, so I'm going to keep an eye on that, and then take it out when it's just a bit browner. Should be in 3 minutes, should be just about perfect. That's 15 minutes overall at 450, and this should be awesome. Okay, this is beautiful fathead dough. I'm gonna let this cool a bit, and then I know exactly what I am going to do with this cheesy keto fathead dough. Okay, and now I have this amazing cheesy bread paired with this stuffed cheese and sausage recipe that I'll post up on www.everydayace.com. Check back here for other regular videos. Like and subscribe, it really would help others find the channel. And thanks for watching.